As I stepped cautiously through the intricate workings of the time machine, I emerged not into a land of towering peaks or vast deserts, but into a world so profoundly unseen, it defied every notion I had of what it meant to be alive. You see, I ain't built for this sort of travel, but here I am, gyrating on the axis of curiosity. I found myself plunged into an odyssey to explore the hidden, thrumming life of microbes. Microbes, the unseen giants I was to learn about, are organisms too tiny for the naked eye to see, and they're the fabric weaving together the very existence of bigger creatures and plants. These microscopic marvels come in numerous shapes and forms. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa are the main kinds. Each one of these critters plays its own role in the great tapestry of life. Bacteria, the most widespread of the bunch, are single-celled critters that thrive just about everywhere. They can be found in the deepest of mines or the highest of clouds. Some cause nasty illnesses, sure, but many more are the unsung heroes of the natural world. It's bacteria that help break down the dead and decaying, returning valuable nutrients to the earth. Without them, the cycle of life would come to a halt. Viruses are entities that push the very boundaries of what it means to be alive. They cannot survive without a host, but are adept at commandeering living cells to reproduce. They're notorious for causing diseases, yet they also can act as evolutionary agents, ushering in changes by moving genes between species. Then there's fungi, a kingdom unto themselves, spreading their networks underground and sometimes sprouting up as mushrooms after a rain. They're decomposers, mostly, breaking down organic matter, but they're also crucial in medicines like antibiotics, which owe their existence to molds, a type of fungus. Lastly, protozoa, the animal-like microbes that often inhabit water and sometimes our very bodies. They're hunters and grazers of the microscopic world, gobbling up bacteria and other microorganisms and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Amidst this bustling, unseen society, microbes are also essential compadres to men and beasts. They digest food in the guts of creatures, including cattle, and play a part in peculiar dances like fermenting grains to brew beer or curing tobacco for a sharp smoke. They shape our world in ways both delicate and profound. Microbes in the soil allow plants to take up nutrients, which helps crops flourish. In the seas, marine microbes are the starting point of the food chain. They also help regulate our planet's atmosphere, producing and consuming gases, including carbon dioxide and oxygen. As I hitched my time-traveling boots back to my own epoch, I carried with me an awe for these unseen giants. In the dust of Arizona or the water of a still pond, life teems beyond my sight. And thanks to understanding microbes, I reckon we'd best take good care of the small to preserve the big.